Welcome to the House of Cars. Hey there, car lovers. Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're delving into the sleek and sophisticated 2024 Volkswagen CC. This car is all about blending elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology into one refined package. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that doesn't break the bank, the 2024 VW CC should be at the top of your list. Let's jump right in. Elegant exterior design. The 2024 Volkswagen CC continues the tradition of offering a stylish, coupe-like design in a practical sedan package. Its sleek silhouette is characterized by smooth, flowing lines that give it a dynamic and sporty look. The front end features a bold grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a striking appearance. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, the 2024 CC offers a range of powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The standard model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces a solid 200 horsepower and 207 pounds-feet of torque. For those seeking a bit more excitement, the CC R-Line variant features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 that cranks out 268 horsepower and 280 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive shifts. Luxurious interior. Step inside the 2024 Volkswagen CC, and you'll find a cabin that's as luxurious as it is functional. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces, create an upscale atmosphere. The front seats are power-adjustable and come with heating and ventilation options, ensuring maximum comfort in any weather. The rear seats are equally spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for passengers. The CC also features a panoramic sunroof, adding a touch of openness and bringing in natural light. Modern technology and connectivity. The 2024 CC is packed with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained on the go. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 10.25-inch digital cockpit display that provides customizable information at a glance. The 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's CarNet connected services, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. The available Harman Kardon premium audio system delivers crisp and clear sound, turning your car into a mobile concert hall. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a top priority for Volkswagen, and the 2024 CC is equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The CC also offers a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Sustainability and efficiency. Volkswagen is committed to sustainability, and the CC reflects this commitment through its efficient design and eco-friendly features. The turbocharged engines are optimized for low emissions and fuel consumption, making the CC a responsible choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The use of lightweight materials and advanced engineering techniques also contributes to the vehicle's overall efficiency, reducing its environmental footprint without compromising on performance or luxury. Thoughts? The 2024 Volkswagen CC is a standout in the luxury sedan segment, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and advanced technology. It's designed for drivers who seek a premium experience without the premium price tag. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or simply enjoying a drive around town, the CC delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2024 Volkswagen CC. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.